Happy New Year! So I did cook those black-eyed peas and they turned out beautifully. Welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, I'm Adrienne. I'm your auntie or your girlfriend of lifestyle and decor. Let's cook. Cook with me today. Happy New Year! As always, Happy New Year and saving hello for another time. Please remember to click like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to having you back, and please join me some more in 2021 and have a great new year. And don't forget to get your black-eyed peas. As always, saving hello for another time. Please click like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Saving hello!